everyone, so I guess you have heard a lot about MCP lately, but what exactly is it and why is it so important for the future of cold outreach? So this is what I'm going to talk about today. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of what MCP is and how it can supercharge your workflows inside of n8n, making your sales automation faster, smarter, and much more efficient. So if you're new here, I'm Magdalena, I'm the co-founder of Replic. I'm here to help you automate your entire outreach process with strategies and approaches that actually work. If you're interested in that, make sure to follow for more, and let's get started. Okay, so before showing you inside of n8n, I just want to give you some context to understand why this is so powerful for cold outreach automation. So MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It's a bridge between AI models and external APIs. So if you're doing cold outreach, I know that you use a wide range of various tools for this purpose. And I want you to imagine something that helps you enable seamless communication and data sharing between those tools. So the purpose of MCP is to simplify integration of APIs. It improves and makes it incredibly powerful for cold outreach automation. So before the MCP, we needed to learn all about different tools individually, learn about their unique APIs before we could connect it to the LLM. But now we have the unified API, this MCP right here, that's going to learn everything about all of the different tools for us to make it way faster and much more efficient. So inside of n8n, you can scrape data, personalize messages, and send emails all without having to worry about the technical complexities of each tool. So I want to give you an example. With Appify, you can access to a wide range of APIs for data scraping. So if we go into Appify, you can see here we have a wide range of different scrapers. We can scrape websites, Google Maps, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook posts, TikTok. You have Apollo, YouTube, LinkedIn jobs, LinkedIn posts, and as you can see, you have much more if you're going into their library. But it's going to be super time consuming for you to learn about each of these tools one by one, go inside of each tool, learn about their APIs, know how to use it in order to connect it to the LLM. But now all you have to do is to just copy this link right here and insert this inside of n8n, inside of the right tool, and the MCP is going to learn everything that it needs to know about this tool for you so that you can use it. So the challenge is that learning how to use each API individually can be time consuming. With MCP, you can integrate these APIs into your n8n workflows in a way that's both seamless and efficient. So the conclusion is, while MCP servers are still in development and evolving, the potential is huge here. Once it's fully adopted, they'll allow you to connect any API to your AI agents, simplifying your cold outreach process and eliminating many of the hurdles that we face today. So once MCP becomes more widely adopted, your outreach campaigns will become more automated, personalized, and effective. So we're going to use this a lot in our own n8n workflows. And now when you've seen the power of it, let's jump into n8n and I'll show you more closely how it works there. Okay, so here's an example inside of n8n, and we are using two different scrapers, Firecrawl and Appify, and these tools could be any other tool like Instantly, SmartLead, or whatever tool that you are using. But to show you the idea of it, before MCP, what you needed to do is that you needed to go to Firecrawl, you needed to go to their docs, you needed to go learn all about scraping, about batch scraping, about LLM extract, etc., in order to connect it inside of n8n. Now all you have to do is to add it, and the MCP is going to learn all of that for us. The same with Appify. Inside of their library, you have all of these different tools. So instead of going to learn all of one by one, we simply choose one of the tools right here, and we are just copying this link there, and inside of n8n, we can just go to the credentials of Appify, and here you can see that we just added this link that we copied inside of the library. So if we wanted to use the Google Maps email extractor, for instance, we just swap this by copying this and put it inside of this link right here. And when we have the tool that we want, the MCP is going to learn all about the tools for us. So what we can do here is that we're going to ask in Firecrawl, like like that. So instead of learning all about the tool that we are using inside of Firecrawl, we can ask what tool do I have, and the MCP is going to instead tell us what it can do for us. So here if we enter the node, we can see all of the things that it can do for us, and we're going to also get an answer of all of the tools available in Firecrawl. Here it says we have the Firecrawl scraper, we have the Firecrawl map, Firecrawl crawl, etc. And we can do the same with Apify. Web tool, Apify, like that. And you can see that it's going to see what is available, tell us what it knows about Apify. And here are the available tools in Apify, and it can see that we have the Apify website content crawler, and it describes exactly what we can do with this. It discovers actors, it can also get actor details, etc. So now we can just ask it for what are the replic.co, for instance, and it's going to check, and this is just a very small task for the scraper, and see if it can find the information that we need. And now it has an answer. It used Firecrawl, and here you can see that it gave us our top 3 URLs. So this could be super useful if you're doing cold outreach and you want to build prospect lists or create super personalized emails with personalized videos, etc. So I really hope you see the power of the MCP and now have a clear understanding of why you would need it inside of your workflows. So if you like to learn more about cold outreach automation, make sure to join our school community, where we have a lot of members and new pending requests and a lot of engagement inside of the community. And inside of our classroom, we also are dropping outreach AI agents for you to use for your own business. So we built flows for you to use, like Scrape Google for LinkedIn profiles, automate and enrich your prospect list with emails, how to make your own RAG, automated lead scoring, and all of these different flows you can see right here. So if you want to join the community, make sure to like and comment on this video below, and I make sure to let you in. I look forward to talk to you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.